Hey friends, let's learn some action words together. Ready? Here we go. I am running. Run, run, run. I am walking. Walk, walk, walk. I am jumping. Jump, jump, jump. I am skipping. Skip, skip, skip. I am climbing. Climb, climb. I am playing. Play, play, play. I am singing a song. Sing, sing. I am dancing. Dance, dance, I am swimming. Swim, swim, swim. I am riding my bike. Ride, ride, ride. Let's keep going. I am reading. Read, read, read. I am writing. Write, write. I am coloring a picture. Color, color. I am drawing. Draw, draw. I am building a tower. Build, build. Let's try some more. I am cooking food. Cook, cook, cook. I am baking a cake. Bake, bake. I am eating. Eat, eat, eat. I am drinking. Drink, drink. I am washing my hands. Wash, wash. Getting ready. I am brushing my teeth. Brush, brush. I am combing my hair. Comb, comb. I am tying my shoes. Tie, tie, tie. More fun actions. I am feeding the cat. Feed, feed. I am feeding the dog. Feed, feed. I am laughing. Laugh, laugh, laugh. I am crying. Cry, cry. Now it's playtime. I am playing soccer. Kick, kick, kick. I am playing basketball. Bounce, bounce. I am flying a kite. Fly, fly. I am jumping on the trampoline. Jump, jump, jump. Let's go outside. I am sitting by the campfire. Sit, sit. I am roasting marshmallows. Roast, roast. I am having a picnic. Eat, eat, eat.